Load your family into the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power liftgate, and cruise control. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.